Hello to all of you dear ones. Today I made a cheap but powerful generator. I made this generator to install on a steam turbine to run a home power plant. For those who are new to this channel, I must say that we are in the process of making the generator. This powerful generator that you can see its construction in this video can produce up to 1000 watts of electricity. But it can also be used as a powerful DC motor, and its input voltage can be from 6 volts to 80 volts. Therefore, it can be used as a speed control electric motor. Its rotation power is great, and it has a lot of power without a gearbox and can reach from a low rotation speed to a high rotation speed. This generator can generate good voltage manually and at low speed to charge 12-volt batteries. The price of this generator in the market with the same power is not less than $300, but you can make it for up to $20. I suggest you build it and use it wherever you need to charge the battery and generate electricity, or use it as an electric motor. The point that I have to tell you is that in this channel, all things are real and there is no bluff. So you can safely trust all the videos of the channel. I tried to show the whole process of making the generator in the video and increased the speed of the video so that it does not take up your time. Write any part you don't understand in the comments and also express your opinion if you have a chance. Let's go and see the assembly stage of this DC generator. By the way, if you like, become a member of the channel to complete the steps of building this solar power plant together. And be sure that you will be satisfied with this membership in the future, because it will become a unique home power plant and it can easily be a suitable alternative to solar panels. Here we have 4 waste electric motors of car radiator fans. All 4 are the same and their prices are very low. I open each of these electric motors separately and I want to convert these 4 into a generator. Of course, the power consumption of these electric motors is approximately 200 watts. You can use other samples that you have available for this purpose, and it does not have to be from this sample. First, I sand the pressed fasteners with an angle grinder. You can see that it has 4 arc-shaped magnets, and this one's winding is healthy, and its failure is related to something else. This is the rotor and this is the stator. I use the caps of these motors to hold the shaft at the beginning and end of the generator. The poles of the same name of the magnet in the stator are opposite each other. These two poles and these two poles have the same name. I have to cut the appendages on the edges, and I use this rubber so that the iron shavings don't stick to the magnet. Now the size of this stator has quadrupled. I use a micro wire cutter and disconnect the wires from the commutator and then disconnect all the rotor wires. You can see that the commutator is completely healthy. A wire with a diameter of 0.4 millimeters with 75 turns of winding and every 5 stacked teeth is considered as one loop. Balancing the rotor is very important for high speed. I use this accurate analog multimeter to measure voltage. At 300 RPM, the voltage is approximately 16 volts. At 800 RPM, the voltage is approximately 40 volts. And in the 2500 RPM mode, the voltage is close to 90 volts. Now we measure the current and note that the short circuit of the generator may damage the wires of the generator. The current in short circuit mode is approximately 18 amps. Now I use a heating element wire to demonstrate the power of the generator. You can see that the heating element wire is turned on. And now I am using a power supply in 6V mode, and I want to show its power with low voltage and as an electric motor. You can see that with an approximate voltage of 4.3 volts, it can rotate the locking pliers, and with a higher voltage, its power will be extremely increased. Now I want to use a welding inverter whose voltage is usually 40 volts DC. I can use this charcoal rod as engine power control. By moving the wire on the charcoal rod, I can increase or decrease the input voltage to the electric motor. With this generator, you can easily charge different types of batteries manually. For example, I have chosen this 12V battery. An important point is that the wires of the generator should not be connected directly to the battery because it will cause the generator to rotate and it will become a consumer. For this purpose, we use a number of ordinary diodes, such as 1N4007, and each diode can withstand the passage of a current of 1 amp. Here I have 7 diodes that I connect the anode and cathode in this way. Now it can withstand the current of 7 amps. Now I connect the direction that has a line on the diodes to the positive of the battery. And I connect the other side of it to the positive side of the generator and pay attention that the direction of rotation of the generator shaft changes the positive and negative wires of the generator. I use this manual crank to manually rotate this generator, and it will not be difficult to make. Now, I will connect it to the generator shaft. With easy rotation, we can charge any battery with the right current and voltage. For small batteries and low voltage, be careful not to overheat the battery and reduce the rotation speed. I hope you have used this video, and if you liked it, please like it and subscribe to the channel to complete the very interesting project of the home power plant together. Goodbye in the hope of seeing you again.